The teacher gave me good advice. The teacher gave me good advice about studying. The teacher gave me good advice about studying for my final exams at the library. She does her homework. She does her homework after dinner. She does her homework after dinner while listening to music in her room. I need to make a decision. I need to make a decision about my holiday. I need to make a decision about my summer holiday with my family next week. We have breakfast. We have breakfast at 7 o'clock. We have breakfast at 7 o'clock every morning before going to school. I take a shower. I take a shower every morning. I take a quick shower every morning before I go to work. He caught a cold. He caught a cold last week. He caught a cold last week because he didn't wear a jacket in the rain. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping this afternoon. Let's go shopping this afternoon to buy some clothes for the party. Thanks for watching. See you next time.